Welcome, everyone. Today we are reviewing another video-based online learning platform, is Coursera. They also partner with famous recognized universities. This video will show you how to sign up, select a course, and enroll. Click on the link which I have given in the description below in this video, which takes you to the official website of Coursera. Sign up with your full name, email ID, and password, or with your Google email ID and password. After signing up successfully, it will be showing another welcoming dashboard for asking more background details. Then continue. In the main menu, click the Explore button. Then you can see the Goals and Subjects option. By selecting Take a Free Course, it will be redirected to another dashboard with the list of free courses. Filter by language, level, duration, subject, skills, partner and learning product. Further scroll down. Select Free Certificate Courses. I have selected the top 15 free courses for you. The list of courses and the links under each title of courses are given below in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.